Impress your Valentine with this moist, rich, decadent chocolate ganache raspberry layered cake. So let's get started. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift together 96 grams of bread flour, 96 grams of cake flour, 6 grams of baking soda, and 3 grams of salt, and set aside. Mix together 270 grams of granulated sugar, 45 grams of cocoa powder, and 295 grams of boiling water. Mix with a paddle on medium speed for 2 minutes. Be sure to scrape the bowl for even mixing. Add in 50 grams of whole eggs, 36 grams of egg yolks, and 95 grams of vegetable oil. Mix on medium speed for another 2 minutes. Add in the flour mixture and continue to mix on medium speed for another 7 minutes. Pour the batter into a lined half-sheet pan. Be sure to spread the batter evenly on the pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. The cake is ready when it springs back from the touch. Place a piece of parchment paper on top of the cake and another sheet pan. Flip the cake, remove the pan and liner, and allow cake to cool completely on the counter. For the chocolate ganache, simmer 220 grams of heavy cream with 20 grams of glucose. Pour the cream over 188 grams of dark chocolate couverture. I'm using Callebaut 54.5% couverture. Stir the ganache until smooth and set on the counter to cool and firm up. To assemble the cake, cut the cake into 4 even pieces. Spread a thin layer of raspberry jam on one piece of cake. Place another cake layer on top and spread a thin layer of ganache. Finish off with another layer of cake, jam, cake, and top off with ganache. You can do a decorative design on the top layer of the ganache with an offset spatula. Slice the cake into serving portions. Decorate as you wish. I'm just going to dip fresh raspberries into edible glitter and place on top of each piece. It is simple but effective. Light and airy chocolate cake with tart raspberry jam and silky smooth dark chocolate ganache. Simply perfection for you and your sweetheart. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!